Nothing has officially confirmed the launch of its next smartphone, the Nothing Phone 3A Lite, tomorrow, and will be available in the brand's signature black and white color options. The phone appeared with an octa-core chipset, which is believed to be the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 SoC, paired with a Mali G615 NC2 GPU. The phone 3A Lite managed to score 1,003 points in single-core and 2,925 in multi-core tests. Nothing Phone 3A Lite could be offered in a single 8GB RAM plus 128GB onboard storage variant. The phone 3A Lite is said to cost €249.99, around $290 in France. This device will target the budget segment thanks to its 18,999 Indian rupees price tag in the Indian market. Nothing Phone 3A Lite could become a compelling option in the mid-range 5G segment. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.